The pivot command is used to create pivot table reports. These reports allow you to organize and summarize data from data model objects and their fields in a clear and structured way. The pivot command generates summary tables by grouping data based on specified fields from data models. It helps to efficiently categorize and summarize large sets of data, making it easier to analyze and compare results. The basic syntax of the pivot command starts with the pipe symbol followed by the word pivot and the name of the data model object. Then you specify the pivot field, which is the main field to aggregate. You use splitrow to define the fields that group data into rows, and splitcol to group data into columns. Finally, the count keyword is used to count occurrences, followed by as and the name you want to give the count field. The key clauses for the pivot command include pivot, which specifies the field to aggregate, splitrow for row grouping, splitcol for column grouping, and count as to count and assign an alias to the results. Common use cases include summarizing event counts by categories, comparing different metrics side by side, analyzing trends over time, and creating cross-tabulated reports. Here is an example of a basic pivot command. It pivots on a sales data object, groups the data by category as the pivot field, uses region to split rows, and counts sales occurrences with the alias total sales. This example demonstrates how to summarize sales data by region and category. This example shows an advanced use of the pivot command with statistical functions. The command uses a weblogs data model, pivots on status code, splits rows by method and columns by hour. It also calculates the sum of bytes transferred and the average response time, which are great for detailed performance and traffic analysis. When using the pivot command, keep the number of splitrow and splitcol fields to a minimum to avoid overly complex tables. Use aggregation functions that are appropriate for your data type. Always alias your count or sum results for clearer labeling in reports. Testing your pivot output on smaller datasets first will help ensure accuracy and performance. The pivot command enables the creation of powerful and concise summary tables by grouping and aggregating fields from data models. Selecting the right pivot, splitrow, and splitcol fields along with suitable aggregation functions ensures clear and effective data reports. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.